Tanner. Look at Elisa gave us a gift. This is a gift from Elisa. Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Yes, I am.
He's our miracle baby.
Aw, Tanner. Tanner, baby. Oh.
I would love to know.
Tanner. Hi, baby. Are you our little monster truck? Are you a little monster truck, Tanner? Yeah.
Aww.
Hi, baby. Tanner. Hi. Happy birthday.
Oh, that's
Happy
right.
birthday.
That's right. Today's your birthday. April 5th. 4/5.
Aw,
Wow. 4/5/10.
so perfect.
Oh, God bless.
you. His first sneeze.
I got it.
That's many a
Bless
first.
you.
Huh? Are you gonna be one of those little boys, huh? Look at his nose.
I know he's
Tanner.
Oh, he's looking.
That daddy.
Tanner. What you doing, buddy?
He heard his voice.
Oh, he's so
Is that your grandma? Is that your grandma, buddy?
So, yes. So I love my grandma.
Tanner.
I love my grandma.
Hi.
Huh?
He knows that name.
I love my grandma. Huh. Oh, it makes me want to breastfeed him. My breast hurts.
Mom, you're not supposed to say that.
I know, but when he did that, my